Hi everybody, welcome back. Jean here with more Mars anomalies and oddities. We're returning to the southern mid-latitudes of Mars to a new site I discovered near Chronius Mons. We'll be having a look at the weird anomalies I discovered at that site. This photograph, called Monitoring Dust Devil Tracks, was acquired quite recently on the 8th of September 2020 at 24.9 centimeters per pixel. I'll be showing you images I cropped from the JP2 black and white map projected file, just over 750 megabytes in size. There's a look at the low-res black and white. The site's located 64.15 degrees south, 168.78 degrees east. And it's just to the west of Chronius Mons. There's the first one, guys and girls, check that out. It's about 15 meters wide and it's got two layers to it. It looks like some type of structure or maybe even a wreckage. Check this out, we've got two parts and there's a connecting piece between the two. And here to the left, we've also got another smaller part. It looks like a step. It's weird. So what could this be, guys and girls? Nothing else like it in this photograph. It's definitely elevated off the surface. Check that out. And we're looking at these two pieces. I don't know what these are, guys. This is about 12 meters across and we've got a rectangular part at the back here. Look at these straight edges and right angles to it, and then this funny part in front of it, and it looks as if it's slightly bent as well. I wonder if this is metallic. Could we be looking at some type of technology or wreck? It looks like this piece on top of this bottom part fits into that opening over there. So what are we looking at here, guys? Let's have a chat in the comments below. As always, much appreciated. We're looking at megalithic blocks over here. The one on the left is about 12 to 14 meters long and it's about 4 meters wide, and there's a smaller block next to it, perpendicular to it over there. Check that out. We can see straight edges and right angles to these, and it also looks as if there's a part over here that's been carved away. Look at that bevel running across there. And then we've got another block over there, guys. This one's about 15 meters long and it also has like a bevel cut into it. Check that out. Got right angles over here as well. We're looking at what looks like a slab over there, and it's about 8 by 8 meters in size. Check out the right angle there. It has a uniform thickness to it, and on top it's got these designs. It looks like a grid. Check that out. Got two parallel sections there and a parallel section over here. Got small square openings or depressions in that part. I don't know what that is. Could this be some type of sculpted piece or some type of ancient technology? Right, then we're looking at a weird block over here with a small part on it. That there's about 4 by 8 meters in size. Check out the triangular part over here on the one side of this block. It's also got kind of a uniform thickness to it or depth, a dome-like part there on the one side. This is weird, folks. Check this out. this part has a uniform width to it as well. Right, then we're looking at this weird structure that is about 15 meters long. And check out this side over here. It has what looks like a slot cut into it and a piece over here that would fit in there, but it's moved off slightly. What's placed here on the right hand side. So these two parts are similar in size and shape, and as I say, the width of this part over here to the right is very similar to the gap over here. Again, some type of wreckage, maybe some type of structure, I don't know. Okay, let's go down to that site located in Terra Chimeria, just west of Chronius Mons. This is the site right there, folks, and there's a brief look at the anomalies for summary. Let's take a look at some of the other sites around there and the anomalies that are found. Here we've got a six-sided object, very geometrical and symmetrical. Strange piece over here with these parallel parts on this one side, and then a rectangular sheet or slab on top of it. It's got a hole in it there, folks, and two small parts here on the left hand side with like a little block and a small spherical item next to it. Let's have a look at one or two more sites. Got a five-sided object there, folks. Got a funny design on top of it. Look at the L-shaped pieces there. This looks almost like a pipe. Then we've got a square depression in this dome-shaped object there. This looks like a piece of wreckage. Look at the way it's bent up, lying on top of that block. And there's a smaller block on top of it as well. Check the uniform depth to this block next to it. And then the usual suspects, the larger parts with small protrusions or objects on top of them. Check out the triangular part over here, the edge of this block. We've got similar disc shapes over there, folks. This one's a bit smaller, but close to its center it's got that smaller part, as well as on this one it has this like raised triangular area there on top of it. It's weird. Another disc over there, folks, that's about 12 meters across. Get the perfect arc over there. And another disc-shaped object. This one's got a flat side to the left. Look at this disc shape on top of this. It's got a strange, narrow, raised area running through the center over there. Okay, one last site. This is where I discovered these very strange pyramidal structures, about 120 meters long. There's an illustration I did of what these look like to me, and we found similar looking anomalies down in Antarctica. What did we just have a look at, folks? Could this be wreckage, sculpted pieces, some type of old technology, derelict structures, or just natural occurrences of these weird objects? I don't know. I can only speculate. Let's have a chat down in the comments below, guys and girls. Thank you for watching, and also a huge shout out to my new subscribers who joined recently. I'm now over 3,000. Thank you very much. Much appreciated, folks. Take care, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.